escorted by Aiden Kramer. Senior Class Vice President Brooks Barker, escorted by Tanner Wendell. Senior Class Treasurer Jackson Newcomb and McKenna Bell. Colby Kennedy, escorted by Senior Class Secretary Austin Seacrest. Junior Class President David Kelly, escorted by Miles Foreman. Junior Class Vice President Jada Hiley, escorted by Ryan Jeffries. Junior Class Treasurer Campbell Gass, escorted by Parker Berkey. Junior Class Secretary Lily Gonzalez, escorted by Gavin Kerr. Hayden McDowell and Luke Fairholzer. Ellie Coverly, escorted by Eli Schmidt. Gracie Martin, escorted by Chance Miller. Morgan Kramer, escorted by Ty Shute. Carly Stuckey, escorted by Christoph Melendez. Ellie Homan and Cadence Collins. Hope Runs, escorted by Justice Kallenberger. Libby Bishop, escorted by Logan Homan. Lamise Jones, escorted by Cohen Klein. Addie Quinter, escorted by Blake Columbia. Isabel Toby, escorted by Jackson Greger. Ariana Ender, Casey Kudak, and Alexis McGee. Sophie Salazar, escorted by Parker Wynn. Lily Schreckler, escorted by Jake Klosterman. Madison Dunsinger, escorted by Colton Ross. Ruby Schleifer, escorted by Zayden Rolfes. Lexi Toller, escorted by Saban Show. Olivia Ullenbeck, escorted by Luke Maxwell. Natalie Zizelman, escorted by Cohen Carter. Kaya Stork and Megan Stein. Lexi Stein, and Alexis Hodeman. Olivia Sutter, escorted by Ren Hopper. Navon Nos, escorted by Parker Gilliland. Bria Pearson, escorted by Brittany Hamilton. Miley Walters, escorted by Mason Murray. Elena B. Horn, escorted by Owen May. Brinley Cordy, escorted by Carson Weitzel. Caitlin Grunke, escorted by Nelson Chapman. Maddie Allen, escorted by Ray Fosterman. Addison Cone, escorted by Evan Ranley. Jaden Addy, escorted by Onyx Johnson. Adriana Vasquez, escorted by Noah Talmadge.
Way to go, Valdez.
Layla Marshall, escorted by Miles Baker. Miss Chloe Bruce. Allison Paul, escorted by Blake Rodriguez. Elena Barker, escorted by Ruben Hundo. Mr. Zane Webb. McKenna Muir and Jayana Ferguson. Addie Whitehead, escorted by Peyton Stockler. Michaela Mullins, escorted by Brandon Parker. Tricia Stein, escorted by Andrew Bank. Katie Heinrich and Terry Wilson. Dana Rice, escorted by Noah Russell.
Ren,
Get back.
no. Back. There you go.
That's good.
Miss Megan Linder. Zoe Page, escorted by Blake Fullingham, who's also the Ella Shelby, escorted by Ethan Winner.
Sit down.
Henry Dixon, escorted by Hunter Turpin. Alika Bridge, escorted by June Bonster. Haley Thomas, escorted by Mason Williams. Randy Hines and Drew Sutler. Sydney Jenkins and Lauren Ballard. Mackenzie German, escorted by John Monster.
Really sparkly.
I'm smiling.
You smile.
Kayla Editor, escorted by BJ Terry. Olivia Dahl, escorted by Levi Houston. Jess Felder, escorted by Logan Sapp. Liberty Slayton, escorted by Quinn Brandon. Zoe Stallman, escorted by Peyton Allen. Lydia Farr, escorted by Jeremy Jocko. Hope Romer, escorted by Logan Kearns. Christy Lopez, escorted by Connor Carter. Anna Taylor and Keisha Snow. Kayana Wells, escorted by Carter Foreman. Kylie Smith, escorted by Aaron King. Haley Gilbert, escorted by Drake Wolfgang. Jamie Gomez, escorted by Josh Shane.
Best picture all night, right?
Ryan Eckhart, escorted by Jason Casada. Corinne West Curtis, escorted by Carter Shannon.
On TV. Over sit down. Over sit down.
Holly Miller, escorted by Jackson Gregor. Grace Hiles
Right there.
and Eliza London. Miss Leah Braden. Sally Milton, escorted by Aiden Morrison. Police Foray, escorted by Jacob Rose. Brianna Black, escorted by Dominic Heilman. Miss Alexandra Healy. Sarah Sweeney, escorted by Bryce Harris. Braylon Ashmore, escorted by Andrew Kovach. Brinley Cooper, escorted by Keegan Green. Riley Hickman and Laney Greenwood. Kennedy Stroud and Bella Wagner. Maya Selhurst and Aurora Lovelace. Miss Crystal Hinton. Taylor Myers, escorted by Christian Kent. Peyton Rose, escorted by Olivia Milliman. Avery Stockler, escorted by Brady Steinberg. Rachel Campbell, escorted by Carter Lee. Haley Kaiser, escorted by Hunter Stockler. Ashton Lehman, escorted by Nicholas Lejeune. Maggie Baxter, escorted by Andy Croft. Audrey Price, escorted by Caleb Dollar. Avery Huntington, escorted by Braylon Connor. Izzy Archer Walker, escorted by Brooke Kessler. Brooke Brewer and Anna Thomas. Reagan Stunt and Sam Stunt. Natalie Garland, escorted by Harrison Dowell. Larissa Jackson, escorted by Gavin Sabrina. James Hathaway, Larry Sloan, and Olivia Henderson. Libby Baxter, escorted by Isaiah Rodriguez. The plan is just a few moments to always get through and then back out again. And now, it is the senior class's pleasure to introduce to you our prom court for this year. Our first candidates are Carson Weitzel. He is the son of Becky and Dusty Weitzel. He enjoys working out, playing football, golfing, playing tennis, and hanging out with friends. His plans after high school are to work at the family farm. Colby Kinney is the daughter of Perry Ingerman and Stuart Kinney. Colby's activities in high school have included National Honor Society, varsity soccer and softball. She also works at Westwood Car Wash. After high school, Colby plans to attend the University of Findlay to major in diagnostic medical sonography and to play softball. Parker Berkey is the son of Jenny and Jerry Berkey. His activities in high school have included playing football. He enjoys golfing and hanging out with friends. Parker's his plans after high school include attending the University of Cincinnati to major in criminal justice. Rachel Randall is the daughter of Chuck and Tammy Randall. High school activities for Rachel include National Honor Society, WBL Sportsmanship Committee, soccer, basketball, track, and hanging out with her family and friends. After high school, Rachel will attend Ohio State Lima to pursue a career in pediatric dentistry. Luke Maxwell is the son of Jill and David Maxwell. Activities in high school include soccer, wrestling, baseball, and he particularly seems to enjoy mowing his yard. After high school, Luke will enter the workforce. Olivia Ulanay is the daughter of Jeremy and Dee Ulanay. In high school, Olivia has been involved in volleyball, National Honor Society, and hanging out with her friends. After high school, Olivia will attend Denison University and major in global commerce. Jackson Newcomb is the son of Kelly and Scott Newcomb. Jackson has been involved in the WBL Sportsmanship Committee. He served as secretary of the National Honor Society. He's been an amazing swimmer on our team, and he enjoys hanging out with friends. After high school, Jackson will attend the University of Findlay, major in forensic biology, and will be a member of the swim team there. McKenna Will is the daughter of Jody and Gabe Hughes. McKenna has been involved in National Honor Society. She's loved hanging out with her friends. She's participated in competitive dance. She also coaches twirling and dance. After high school, McKenna will attend Ohio State Beauty Academy to become a hairdresser. Logan Billerman is the son of Jason and Michelle Billerman. Logan enjoys working out, playing football, basketball, and working. After high school, Logan will attend Wright State University to become a police officer. Natalie Zisman is the daughter of Jay and Laura Zisman. In high school, Natalie has enjoyed playing soccer and hanging out with friends. After high school, Natalie will attend Ohio State University Lima and major in psychology. Let's hear it for our prom court. It is my great pleasure to introduce to you Prom 2026 King, Mr. Jackson Newcomb. And your 2026 Prom Queen is Miss Colby Penny. Thank you so much to everyone for supporting our students and attending Promenade. You're welcome to snap a few pictures. Students, please make your way to roomers. Our meal will begin at 7:15 sharp. Thank you.